stop. Before you scroll past this, I need you to hear something that most doctors will never tell you in a 15-minute appointment. If you are a woman over 50 and you wake up exhausted, if your skin looks dull no matter what cream you buy, if you feel like your body is working against you, here's the truth. That is not just aging. That is biology you can actually fix. And I am going to show you exactly how, starting today. My name is Dr. Romalia. I've spent over a decade working with women just like you. Women who came to me feeling invisible, depleted, and told it was just part of getting older. And together, we prove that wrong every single time. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to give you a science-backed, doctor-approved daily routine that will ignite your energy, restore your skin's radiance, and help you feel like yourself again, or better than ever before. Stick with me until the end because tip number 7 is something most women completely overlook, and it is honestly the one that changes everything. Let's go. First, let me validate what you're feeling, because too many women are told it's all in their head. It is absolutely not. After 50, your body goes through 3 major biological shifts that directly drain your energy and steal your glow. Let me walk you through them quickly. Shift number 1, mitochondrial decline. Your cells have little power factories called mitochondria. They literally generate the energy your body runs on. According to the Mayo Clinic, women in perimenopause and postmenopause experience up to a 40% drop in mitochondrial efficiency. That is not a feeling. That is a measurable biological fact. You are not tired because you are lazy. You are tired because your cellular engine has been quietly downgrading and nobody told you how to upgrade it back. Science reference, Mayo Clinic, 2022. Mitochondrial efficiency drops approximately 40% in postmenopausal women, a primary driver of age-related fatigue. Shift number 2, cortisol and hormonal disruption. The second shift is hormonal chaos, specifically elevated cortisol. Harvard Medical School published research showing that when estrogen drops after menopause, cortisol, your stress hormone, loses its natural regulator. It stays elevated longer. And here's what that means for your skin. Chronic high cortisol breaks down collagen, reduces skin elasticity, and accelerates what I call stress aging. Have you ever noticed you looked older after a really stressful period of your life? That is cortisol doing exactly this. Science reference, Harvard Medical School, 2021. Estrogen decline post-menopause disrupts cortisol regulation, accelerating collagen breakdown and skin aging. Shift number 3, NAD plus depletion. And the third shift, the one that ties it all together, is the depletion of something called NAD+. NAD+ is a molecule your body uses for over 500 different biological processes, including energy production and DNA repair. The National Institute on Aging found that NAD+ levels drop by approximately 50% every 20 years. By the time most women hit 50, their NAD+ is dramatically lower than it was at 30. And this affects everything from your energy to your skin's ability to heal and renew itself. Science reference, National Institute on Aging, 2023. NAD+ declines approximately 50% per 20 years. Restoration significantly improves cellular energy and skin regeneration. Now, here is what I love about this. All 3 of these shifts, they respond to lifestyle. They respond to the right daily habits, which means you have more power here than you realize. Let me give you that power right now. These are the 7 things I recommend every woman over 50 do every single day. You do not need a prescription. You do not need a $1,000 supplement stack. You need consistency and the right knowledge. And that is what I'm giving you right now. Habit number 1, get outside within 30 minutes of waking, no sunglasses, and get 10 to 20 minutes of natural morning light. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Romalia, I have heard the sun is bad for skin. And yes, excessive midday UV exposure is a concern, but morning light, Before 9 a.m. is a completely different story. Research from JAMA Internal Medicine in 2023 showed that a 20-minute morning walk in natural light increased vitamin D synthesis by 60%, and critically, it reset the circadian rhythm in postmenopausal women, improving both sleep quality and cortisol regulation. Why does this matter for your energy and radiance? Because vitamin D activates over 200 genes in your body. It directly supports mitochondrial function. Remember shift number 1 I just told you about? Morning light is literally your free daily mitochondria repair session, and it takes 20 minutes. Habit number 2. And this one is so simple, it almost seems too obvious. Start your day with protein. Not toast, not cereal, protein first. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published a study in 2022 showing that women over 50 who consumed 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily maintained significantly higher muscle mass and reported 45% more daily energy compared to women eating less protein. Let me say that again. 45% more energy from food. Muscle is your metabolic engine. The more lean muscle you carry, the more efficiently your mitochondria work, and the more energy you have all day long. For a 150-pound woman, that is roughly 82 grams of protein a day. I recommend hitting 25 to 30 grams at breakfast alone. Think 2 eggs with Greek yogurt or a protein smoothie with collagen peptides. Quick, easy, and it completely changes your energy trajectory for the day. Habit number 3, take omega-3 fatty acids every single day. And I mean every single day. This is one of the most underrated tools in women's health. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that postmenopausal women with daily omega-3 intake showed a 34% improvement in skin hydration and elasticity within just 12 weeks. 34%. That is better than most topical creams, and you are doing it from the inside out. Science reference, Journal of Nutrition, 2020. Daily omega-3 supplementation showed 34% improvement in skin hydration and elasticity in postmenopausal women within 12 weeks. Omega-3s work by reinforcing your skin's lipid barrier, that protective layer that keeps moisture in and environmental damage out. They also reduce systemic inflammation, which is the hidden engine behind both energy fatigue and accelerated skin aging. My recommendation, 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of high-quality fish oil daily, or for my plant-based ladies, algae oil is an excellent source. Eat fatty fish like salmon, sardines, or mackerel at least twice a week as food sources. Habit number 4, hydrate intentionally. And I want to be very specific here because most women I see are chronically dehydrated and they do not even know it. After 50, your body's thirst mechanism actually becomes less sensitive. You can be significantly dehydrated before you even feel thirsty. Dehydration of just 1 to 2%, which is subtle, you often cannot tell, has been shown to reduce cognitive function, worsen fatigue by up to 30%, and visibly dull the skin within 24 hours. Your skin is 64% water. When you are dehydrated, it shows. Here's my protocol. Drink 16 ounces of water, that is 2 full glasses, immediately upon waking, before coffee, before checking your phone. Add a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon for electrolytes. This replenishes what you lost overnight, wakes up your digestive system, and gives your skin a head start on plumpness and glow. Then aim for half your body weight in ounces throughout the day. Habit number 5, add an adaptogen to your daily routine. This is something I personally discuss with almost every woman over 50 who comes to me feeling exhausted and overwhelmed. Adaptogens are natural plants that help your body adapt to stress. They literally help regulate cortisol, which, as we discussed, is a major driver of both energy depletion and skin aging in women over 50. The one with the strongest research for our population is ashwagandha. A 2021 study in the Menopause Journal found that women over 50 who took ashwagandha consistently reduced their cortisol levels by an average of 27.9% within just 60 days. Almost 28% reduction in the hormone that is breaking down your collagen and stealing your energy. That is significant. Other excellent adaptogens for women our age include rhodiola rosea, which improves mental clarity and reduces fatigue, and maca root, which supports hormonal balance during and after menopause. I always advise you to speak with your own physician before starting any new supplement, especially if you are on medications. But these are powerful, well-researched tools that millions of women are benefiting from daily. Habit number 6, and do not skip this one. It is more important than most people realize. You need to protect your sleep architecture. I'm not just talking about getting 7 to 8 hours. I'm talking about the quality of those hours. Here's what the science says. Research from the NIH and the Sleep Foundation in 2022 showed that chronic sleep deprivation in women over 50 elevates cortisol by 37% the following day and suppresses growth hormone secretion, which is the primary hormone responsible for nighttime skin repair and cellular regeneration. Poor sleep is literally aging you overnight. Every night. Here is what I want you to do. Create what I call a 90-minute wind-down window. 90 minutes before bed, no screens, or use blue light glasses if you must. Lower the lights in your home. Do something calming, gentle stretching, reading a physical book, journaling, a warm bath. Magnesium glycinate, 200 to 400 milligrams, taken 30 minutes before bed, is one of the most effective, safe, and underused sleep tools for women over 50. It calms the nervous system and supports deeper, more restorative sleep stages. And here is habit number 7, the one I told you not to miss. And I promise you, it is not what you expect. Most women over 50 think exercise means 60 minutes at the gym, and when that feels impossible, they do nothing. This is the biggest mistake I see, because the truth, research shows that what I call movement snacks, short 10-minute bursts of resistance-based movement throughout the day, are actually more effective for mitochondrial regeneration and cortisol regulation than one long exercise session. Here is why this is the secret weapon. Resistance exercise, bodyweight squats, resistance bands, light weights, activate your muscles' ability to produce new mitochondria. Yes, you can literally grow more of the cellular energy factories we talked about at the beginning of this video. This process is called mitochondrial biogenesis, and it is one of the most powerful anti-aging mechanisms in human biology. 10 minutes of squats, lunges, and resistance band rows 3 times a day, morning, midday, evening, gives you 30 minutes of high-impact movement without the gym. Science reference, Journal of Physiology, 2022. Short burst resistance exercise activates PGC1 alpha, stimulating mitochondrial biogenesis, more effective for cellular energy restoration than prolonged moderate exercise in older adults. All right, let me bring this all together for you. You now know that the fatigue and the dullness you've been feeling are not just aging. They are biology, fixable biology. Here are your 7 daily non-negotiables. 1. Morning light protocol, 10 to 20 minutes outside within 30 minutes of waking. 2. Protein first breakfast, 25 to 30 grams of protein to fuel your mitochondria. 3. Daily omega-3s for skin radiance and anti-inflammation from inside out. 4. Intentional hydration, 16 ounces water with lemon plus salt every single morning. 5. Daily adaptogen, ashwagandha to cut cortisol and restore hormonal balance. 6. Sleep architecture fix, 90-minute wind down, magnesium glycinate, 3-2-1 rule. 7 movement snacks, 3 times 10-minute resistance sessions to rebuild your mitochondria. I've seen women walk into my practice looking and feeling 10 years younger. Not from surgery, not from some magic pill, but from doing exactly these 7 things consistently. And I've seen it happen in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. Your body is incredibly responsive when you give it what it actually needs. Before you go, I need to ask you to do 3 things right now, and I promise each one is going to help you more than you know. First, right now in the comments below, I want you to tell me which one of these 7 habits are you starting today. Just type the number 1 through 7. I read every single comment personally, and I want to know where you're starting your journey. Your comment might also help another woman in this community who is exactly where you are right now. Oh, second, if this video gave you something that your doctor has never taken the time to explain to you, I want to be your doctor on this channel. I upload new science-backed health guidance for women over 50 every single week. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. Because next week, I am covering the one hormone that controls your waist size, your sleep, and your mood after 50, and it is not the one most people talk about. And third, I have a video right here that I know is going to help you even more. It is about the top 5 foods that are silently destroying your energy after 50. And I guarantee at least 2 of them are in your kitchen right now. Watch that next. Your future self, the one who is glowing, energized, and thriving, starts with the choices you make today. I am Dr. Romalia, and remember, aging is not a disease. It is an invitation to finally take care of yourself the way you have always deserved. I will see you in the next video.